Yeah, so bathroom done here now. Grout up and everything. Yeah. So floor grout. Yeah, so that's the shower. The shower grout up. Yeah, so everything finished. So I'm gonna dig down the bathroom wall. Yeah, whole heap of noise. So as I say, my people upon the preparation process, you know. So yeah, we are full out them place. Yeah, all of them hold the way you see. Full them out, so full out that one already. So after we do this now, as I say, we're gonna build the ledge. Yeah, so this is the process what we are going through right now. Yeah, so the plumber put it in the mixer but him not patch it back. So you know, the left with the patching up work, you know. So what you want to do with thing? Use to them kind of work, you know. Yeah. Alright my people, so we prepare up the floor. Yeah, so we cast up the shower, as you can see we build the ledge. Yeah. So as I say, the preparation stage this, you know, we get everything organized up, that's when we come back to tile, you know, much easier. So the ledge build, cast up the shower. Yeah. So as you can see, all of them places now, everything will be full out. So you know, so when we come in, what tile we got tile. Yeah, so this is how we're gonna work with. Yeah, so as I say, this is about 4 foot round. Same like it was. Yeah. Floor for tile same way. Yeah. So you know, so when I come in now, you know, the work much easier. So alright my people, so we're gonna start the bathroom right now. You know, say I'm here Punsi there. Wow! Punsi lick down the first tile. Alright, so we're gonna see if we get a start now in the morning. Yeah. Line up the water. So you know, so yesterday as we got through doing that show on the preparation stage. Let me look. This is what come be out, you know. Yeah, clear. First style. Only for material. Yeah, you know, so we just want to put a start on this. One bag with some wedge punch. I'm supposed to know Ivan no.
Yeah?
I'm supposed to know Ivan. Eh? Son next one. Give me that. You don't see none. Where's the piece of back of it? One bag over there with some wedge, man.
Ready again. Ready again.
So that's how people we have put out the bottom of the way, you know. So the master row. Get this one up and running out of the way. Some bad wire, you know. It's a bad wire, I mean, real bad wire. No piece now. I know, I mean, good piece now. So we're there for the bathroom, people. I try to get this bathroom running, you know, as I can see how it's there. So obviously we have a tile over the shower, 4 foot round. Yeah. So the most important thing now is the bottom row here. I'm going to try to catch up. Once we catch up the bottom row, yeah, you know, so we have it locked. So, you know, stage by stage. Tight ones. Alright my people, so this is how we reach the bathroom now. Yeah, so we'll catch out the first row. Yeah, for you know, so once the master will clear the bathroom done. Yeah, so we run out the bottom go completely. Yeah, so as I say, we have a 4-foot round, just like we think time before. Yeah, and just go over the shower. Yeah, so we're gonna run piece of tile right in your window there, so just on the bottom of the window. So we're gonna flush with the side go up. Yeah. And just carry it straight across this up right to the cabinet. Then we'll come back at the original 4 feet and come right round. So yes, my people, we take time to go and, you know, there's a nice white wavy tile. So we have the floor same way if you do. So, you know, once you go along, the cut and ledge and everything drop in shower bottom. Yeah, so this is how we did so far with it. So I'm going to run some time right there. Yeah. Yes, repeat. So this is all we're going to write down. Get some tile on the wall. So up and running. Yeah, nice tile on the wall, them, you know. Yes, the people, the tile and on the wall, up and running. cheap pussy. Oh, yeah, body man.
Let's see, boy. One more. Oh, that's 1, 2, 4, 6.
One more face.
And that'll be the piece.
Alright, my people, so right on in the bathroom done. Time to go home. So, yeah, this is how I look like in here now. Nice and sweet. No mix that net, we have cut out the first. I'll cut out the first. I'll cut out the first one. Yeah, so as I say, bathroom done here now. But the tile look good on the wall. So you know we have the floor left for tile on the shower. Yeah. Yeah, so as I say, everything drop in. So I was able to knock out the floor now. Yeah. Coming from a far away. Yeah man. When I see the tile around the panel. You know, and with the panel now. Yeah, some modern looking tile. Yeah, I want to tell us when this done it out nice. Yeah man. Yeah, so we're looking good so far. Yeah, so I'm 7 people. You know, we're dropping the floor. Yeah, so not look too bad down there. Nice and sweet on the wall. Yeah, so as I said, looking good so far, you know. We just want to get this place a modern look, you know. Yeah, throw some tile on the floor and then, you know, the shower. Yeah, so keep it going. Yeah, as I said, we're going to do the floor. Alright, my people, so we're already going to start with some grouting by the wall. Yeah. So we're use some white grout. Yes, so we'll get the wall grout up, you know. Yeah, that's a bathroom, nice and sweet, my people, trust me. Yeah, so we'll do. We'll drop it in the floor. Yeah, so the floor drop in. So I just say where I get the wall grow up and also, you know. Yeah, so after the wall grow up, I will drop you in the shower. Yeah. Bathroom I got nice up to finish, man. Yeah, so as I say, at the growing stage, this will depend right now. Once we get the wall growth up, then also will depend target.
Alright, my people, morning. See it, they're on the work again. Still, you see me? Alright. See, boss man, I do something inside this and all. You see? Alright, done cut out. Alright. Wall done growth up. Place look nice. And everything, you see? So I make you know what I want. So I make you know what I want. So place look nice. So everything put up. Things sort out. Okay. After we're done now, we just clean up back and then we have a floor for growth still, you know. The floor no growth yet, you know. So we grow up the floor after we done dropping them thing there. See, growth in nice bathroom, sell off. Now like, as I say, people like, share and subscribe. You see it? Subscribe, like, share. You see it to your friend. Tell a friend, tell a friend. So you go for them place like that for continue road. See it, you know? So I told him I drop in everything. See me? You can't do no talking today, man. I'm one of the talking. I'm in him Punsi, man. Yeah. Punsi do especially. You see it? So I deal with the thing proper. Don't know if you want a tiling work to do, you can shout him up and everything done, you know. See it? You have a whole crew ready, so if you have any mansion or palace one tile, whole crew ready. Fly down, come do it. Fly up, come do it. Anything you want. From a pin to an anchor, carpenter, mason, everybody. We have it. The whole construction crew still, you see? Every man in our company talent. Some of the years up today, some of us stay home and go and prepare a meal and anything. But some of us just come and work and finish up a little work and go and little bits and pieces. See? Alright. Give me the thing. So what you have to say now, Mr. Tony? What you have to say? Talk to the people then.
Well, I drop you in the shower, but I'm nice on there. Finish up the bathroom, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, don't know where you go. The Sunday dinner I go cook late today. So you go Ponzi?
Yeah, man. I'll cook late, yes, but we have to do still.
Yeah, just say things set up.
You have to please the customers, them, you know. Can't do that. No matter how you have to please the customer, them. The customer, them feel good and nice, you know. So you don't know.
Yeah, set them up nice.
One customer tell another customer, you know, so you get work, you know. And the work have to done properly. We know about each part of the thing, we just do the work and do it properly.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, so you go. And that's so you go to. Yeah, so I'll lay some more safe nice Sunday, yeah? Don't know how people like, share, and subscribe.
Really, 4 minutes.
So alright my people, so we are cleaning up to this ungrouting on the floor. Yeah. So shower drop in. Yeah, so just keep some time to dry up, and then we draw some grout on it. Yes, the bathroom nice and sweet again. Yeah, nice tile on the wall. So just want the mixing valve and to put in and you know, shower head drop on, face basin go up and tile go up. Yeah. Yeah, so nice and sweet again as Mr. Bathroom almost done. So I just go right over the shower head. Yeah, not to ceiling. So the floor tile just through the shower tile. Yeah, so bathroom done here now. Grout up and everything. Yeah. So floor grout. Yeah, so that's the shower. The shower grout up. Yeah, so everything finished now. Nice wall tile. Yeah, white wavy. So you know the bathroom I just go over the shower and it go 4 foot round. Yeah, so that had a 4 foot right round. So them never really want to left the window so raw. So as you can see, we drop a piece of tile light. They never want none on the side there. Just here. So we carry this right to the cabinet. Yes, everything look nice and sweet, you know. So you know what this my people. So remember to like, share and subscribe. You know, leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, I want to say big up to all of the supporters them, you know. The people that support the thing right through. Enough respect every time. You know, thanks for the support. All of the upcoming supporters them same way. Yeah man, enough respect. Yeah, you know. You know, as me there, you know, I always have to do some good tiling work. Yeah. Not some cobbler work, but some good tiling work. Yeah. So I always have to get that. You know, top of the line job them. Yeah, so the floor just blending in with the shower, as you can see. Yeah, so it's a nice style, nice finished job. You know, bathroom nice and clean. Yeah. Just the plumber left to come in and now come finish him part of the work. You know, put in them shower head and them thing them. Put up them toilet and them face basin. Yes, don't know about the people. There every time, you know. Always are going to something nice, something new, something different. Yeah.